peach shortcake, Big Poppa style. It's going to be toasted on the inside on the griddle with some butter and vanilla. It's nice and cool and tastes great. So here's what we have. Fresh peach, angel food cake. I've got some whipped cream. I have some butter here. And vanilla is a key. There's a lot of vanilla in the angel food cake. There's going to be some vanilla, obviously, in the whipped cream. I'm not going to put any of the peach, but I'm going to put some in the butter. Just give it a little depth, stir it up, and I'm going to baste it with the melted butter. Then we're going to go outside to the griddle, and we're going to give it a nice toast. Okay, so we have that done. We're going to come back in after I've toasted it, and we're going to assemble it. But in the meantime, while we're toasting, I'm going to take the peaches and put some white sugar in it. And then I'm going to refrigerate. As the peaches bleed, they'll mingle with the sugar and give us a really nice sauce. So you don't have to use too much, unless you love sugar like I do. Then go crazy. Of course, you guys probably can't tell with this physique that I like sugar. But here we are outside, just the lightest coat of oil here. Almost, kids. I think you're going to like this one. I think you're going to cook it for your friends at home. Woo-hoo-hoo! Nothing toasts like a griddle, but I think there's this section right here I want to get. A little more. Nothing but perfection for you kids at home. Okay. Let's go inside and assemble and eat. Okay, let's build this thing. Whipped cream, check. Peaches, check. Whipped cream. That's a nice thick coat. Remember, it's only fattening if you believe the haters. I consider this to be very healthy and pure. Dump the top layer on it. Give it just a little press. Let's hit the top. Such a nice, fresh, clean summer dessert. You'll be thinking about this. You'll be looking at the pictures in December. It'll almost take Christmas shopping off your mind. That's how effective this is going to be. Try and find the best slices for the top. Pour some of the juice on it. There you have it. Here we go. Next thing you know, I'm going to be eating it.